How to repost full or long reel on Instagram story. In this video, I'm going to show you the simple steps to do so. Do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video, you'll learn how to do it. Now, without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, let's open Instagram app and then make sure to log in or sign in to your Instagram account. Then let's select the reel icon at the bottom right corner, which is next to the profile icon. Now on this reel section, you will get different kinds of reels when you scroll continuously. So let's select this reel and then tap on the airplane icon, which is right corner of this screen. So if this reel is 60 seconds release or 60 seconds, then you can easily add or repost this reel on Instagram story by tapping on add to story button. But if this reel is more than 60 seconds long or full or long reel on Instagram, then you can be able to repost those full or long reel on Instagram story. You will need to or you will require to use third-party apps which might be dangerous and cause different kinds of issue to your device. So using the third-party app, you can download the reels and can add to your Instagram story and repost it, but try it on your own risk. So Instagram does not directly allow to repost the full or long reel on Instagram story. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.